Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn how we can link our Squarespace domains for GoHighLevel for email services. It's a most important part of email campaigns in GoHighLevel. If you don't link your dedicated domain with the GoHighLevel, so you are not able to send emails. Yeah, you can send emails, but mostly it go to the spam folder. So for avoiding this spam, so we can link our dedicated domain from Squarespace to GoHighLevel. It's super easy. I will guide you step by step. And by the way, if you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go and book free consultations with me on leadsflex.com. I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. So let me go to backend on a GoHighLevel and I will guide you step by step how we can add our email domains with our Squarespace domains. So simply go to settings. It's the first step, and after that you can go to email services, and here we have dedicated domain option. And here you can see it's the importance of a dedicated domain options for email deliverability. So that's the important part. We need to must be link our dedicated domain here. Right now that's by default it's from Twilio, but we are not using Twilio domain here, so we are adding our own dedicated domain here. So just click on dedicated domain, and after that what we need to add just this. I have just added this one. Let me delete this one and we can add it again. And I was adding, and in my case so my domain is static media, so that's our main domain, and here is our subdomain reply.staticmedia.net. That's mostly we can use. You can put your domain name here, but must be add reply and response, whatever you want to like you can add just here. And here is a full step what we need to add here. We need to add our leads connector, we need to add our DNS, update DNS with your domain registrar, and verify applied domains and domain logs from your mailgun as well. Once we active this one, our mailgun logs will be logged out. So I will just click on it, add and verify. Simply we have two options here. We can continue. If your domain on a GoDaddy or Namecheap, then you can click on a continue, it will be automatically sync. But in our case we have Squarespace domain, so we will go to here, add domain manually, and here these record we need to add into our Squarespace. So simply log in into your Squarespace domain, and after that you need to go to DNS, and after that go to DNS setting, and then you can scroll below, and here you can see here we have custom records. What we can say, simply click on it, and I just go back here and simply I just say txt record, just copy this one, and I will type txt, yes, this one, and put the host, and after that put the text value here. Simply go to here, just copy this one and put our text value here and save record. And same here we need to add with our again txt record. And I just pause this video and I will add these. Let me add second one as well, then I can add other. When I will pause video, I will just simply click on it, just simply say not host, that says txt, the record is txt, and just simply go to reply, and that's our host. And what we can say that we can add the value here. Simply add this one, and that's a priority time, but mostly we can use 30 minutes, 1 hour, it's up to you, but I can go for 30 minutes for now. I simply pause this video and I can add all record and then get back start from here. I just simply add all the records here. From these records just simply click on a verify. It will take few seconds, and after that it will be verify all the records here, and you see it's all record will be verified. I just say verify the domain. So right now our domain is verified and active. It will take few minutes, and after that our SSL will be also active. So we will set up header for our email services. Simply go to here and set header, so you can put your from name and email here as well. And after that, yeah, your dedicated domain is okay, link with your GoHighLevel. So right now you can set headers and send and receive emails from your domain. And after that we will add the branded domain as well. It's a super easy, same procedure. Simply go to your profile setting and put your branded domain here. I have already added, just add your value here. So that's it from this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with you in a call and I will guide you step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video.